This is a story of my first ever motorcycle build. So I got my Goldwing here, my brand new Goldwing. Now we're gonna check out this Goldwing. Those are new timing belts or something? Empty bag, gloves, a love letter, looks like.
Oh, great.
I bought a 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100 for $600. It doesn't run. Does not move. All right. Bolted to a metal support. Pop right up. The shock mount here. Bam, there it is. Look at this.
There we go.
We found the problem. Whoa, check that out. Today, we chop. Oh, look at that. Looks pretty good to me. And then jam it on this one, so hopefully it works. We've joined these together. I'm gonna go ahead and weld it in. Look at that, Dad. It fits. The wheel fits on there. Nice little hoop. Isn't that neat?
Yes, it is.
There's my outline. Be happy with it. Cause like, dude, we're gonna try and use this piece of pipe. Going for like 30 minutes. Bang! Been doing some drinking. It's done. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I think I'm getting better at this. We're almost done with this bobber build. Up on the bottom of the cylinder head like so, and tucks underneath the frame a little bit. And then this guy, when the signal for the brake comes on, it will go from there to this guy to my modular unit. Normal brake light comes on, extra bright, and these guys modulate. I'll come through and wire strip these. Turn on the high beams, and there it is. Here, left turn signal. And if I do the brake in the front, Mini Cooper ignition coils. So you can see the old spring versus the new spring. Just gonna leave it just like this, just the foam. Oh, we've got gold sides here. This is for doing gold lettering. So this is a grand day. I even put on a fancy shirt. Alright, so here's the straight pipe sound on the bobber. Then we're going to put the baffles in here. Thanks to everyone who subscribed and came along with me on this journey. And special thanks to those who provided useful tips, lent their knowledge and or special tools to this build. This project would have been much harder without you, and the finished bike would not be nearly as nice. And of course, extra special thanks to my father who provided this magical workspace, the tools, and for teaching me how to turn a wrench when I was just a quote, a little shaver. So thanks to everybody, I really appreciate all your help.